So Blanquita was eating seeds from her purple bin, but then I brought the Cheerios, so she jumped on the stick because she prefers Cheerios.
Cheerios.
Let's go. You have Cheerios, yummy, yummy. Yeah, Cheerios, come on. Cheerios. Cheerios, here you go. We have Cheerios here. Okay, ready?
Cheerios.
Okay, ready? Let's just get that there. Ready? Just here. Hang on. Okay, Cheerios. Cheerios.
Good girl.
There
That's
you
a
go.
good girl.
There's your Cheerios. There you go.
Oh, sweetie.
Okay. Another Cheerio.
Open the lid, mamita.
Cheerios. Whoops. Okay, Cheerios. Cheerios. In here. Cheerios. Cheerios, open up. There you go.
Good girl. That's a good girl. Good job, Rainer, for training Blanquita.